Hello everyone. We have this physics numerical, the wave moving in a pond have a wavelength of 1.6 meter and a frequency of 0.80 hertz. Calculate the speed of the wave. So first of all, we will look for given data in the question, and then we will look for the required data. So given data is wavelength equal to lambda, which is equal to 1.6 meter, as given in the question wavelength of 1.6 meter, and similarly frequency is given, frequency equal to 0.80 hertz, and we required the speed of the wave. So speed of the wave is represented by v, and now we will solve this numerical by the formula, which is speed equal to f lambda. So v equal to f lambda. So f is frequency and lambda is wavelength. So now we will put these values in this formula. So let's put these values. So frequency is 0.80 and wavelength equal to 1.6. So we will multiply these two values, and after multiplying these two values, we obtain 1.28 meter per second, which is the unit of velocity. Okay, please remember, some student asked that the formula for speed or velocity equal to s over t. So v equal to s divided by t, where s is distance and t is time. So they ask either these two formulas are different formulas or the same formula. So for to them, I will say this is the same formula. Look over here. We can write this speed or velocity formula as v equal to 1 divided by t into s. We can write this. And now, as we know that frequency is the reciprocal of time period, so f equal to 1 over t, so we can put f over here. And as we know, we calculate the distance of waves in wavelength, so which is calculated in lambda. So lambda is used for wavelength or distance in term of waves. So therefore we can write s equal to lambda. So after putting these values, 1 over t is equal to f, and s, that is distance, equal to lambda. So v equal to f lambda. So it means that v equal to s divided by t and v equal to f lambda basically are the same formula, or having same base. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.